Hey guys, it's Sam here again. So this is a Mandarinquat. I saw these at the store a couple days ago. I just couldn't resist buying them. I've never had them before. Wanted to give them a shot, make a review. Let's do this. So as you can see, it kind of looks like a kumquat, but it's got more of a neck to it, and it's a little bit bigger than any kumquats that I've ever seen. So I'm gonna try the skin first and tell you how that compares. So the skin tastes just like a calamondin or a kumquat. Really, I mean, the skin is pretty good. Now, the meat inside is a little bit sour. It's not terribly sour like a calamondin, and you can totally eat it. But it's hard to separate the skin. Or it's almost impossible to separate the skin from the meat. So you pretty much just have to eat the skin and then kind of just bite into it or squeeze out the juice from it. It's pretty good. I wouldn't pay the $5 though for this again for what, 9 of them. It's not really worth it. It's got some seeds in it, so that kind of slows you down. You just kind of bite into it and then squeeze out the juice. So I'm gonna do it to the last one right here. It's got a lot of seeds. All right, so the Mandarinquats, I give them 6 out of 10. All right, y'all, see you next time.